got the hatch open. Cargo tray is lowered, and it's super easy to take this off. It's only held on by a Phillips head. Just one little one right here where your release is at. And what we're gonna tackle right now is this one right here, so shouldn't be too hard. Jeez, I don't want to jinx myself and I end up breaking something. So let me try and see if I could do this with two hands, because I'm not doing this well with one. Take off the 10mm bolt that holds it in, and I feel like if we take this off, it would be easier for us to remove it from this. What I ended up doing was I just raised it up as high as I can, and I just thread this in through here. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. See, Sebastian, it was so much easier when you were doing it off camera. And there you have it. Put your bolt back in. I went ahead and I replaced all the lights, all of them, including the inside ones. All these have been replaced with new ones. And yeah, people are gonna be like, well, why didn't you put LEDs? Well, I did put LEDs from the ones I already had, but these I just kept halogen. These are brand new Philips from Rock Auto. If you guys didn't know, Rock Auto does sell halogen light bulbs for like 50 cents each. I went to Pick and Pull and I grabbed a few. I kid you not, two out of the 6 I pulled were blown or just didn't work, and they looked fine when I got them, but they were blown. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put them back in, and it shouldn't be too hard to do, but a lot of cleaning to do though. Like, god damn, this car's dirty. So got them all wired up. Looks good. Here are the old ones. Some of them did work, but they're just old and crusty. Like, check that out. It's just old and crusty, so just ended up swapping them out. Did the same thing with the fronts, but I don't like that the fronts aren't that bright. So I don't know, I'm just gonna leave those there for now and just worry about it another day. But at level, yeah, you can see it at level, but like from up here you can barely see it. So I don't know, I'm gonna worry about it another day. Took off the passenger door panel. I'm installing a new one of these. Well, not new, but one from the junkyard, because the old one that I had, it was busted and it didn't work. And look at that, it's so hard. So I'm just gonna toss that, and I got a new one installed. It's really easy to install. These you just pop out with a hammer, and then the door will come off. Really easy. And you have two 10mm. You take them out, and you could just grab it from in here. And now I'm just tightening them down, make sure they're tight and secure. Car needs a lot of love. Car needs a lot of love. But now the real part of this is I'm gonna change out the lock. So actually I have to raise up, oh crap, I have to raise up the window, because let me take off the clip. I don't want it to get stuck in there, because these are a pain to take off. I don't know how people take them off so easy. But let's raise this window off. You can see the lock's right there. So as you can see, it might just be held on by, crap, what is it held on by? Let's look at the new one I have. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, it's right here. It may just be clipped on, honestly. Let me take it off. You can see that it's held on by that pin, the C pin, C clip, whatever you want to call it. You want to push it open to release it. New one is installed. And it's really simple. Once you remove the old one, you just clip it in to the rod, and then you have to put the ring or whatever you want to call it, the pin back on. But it's really simple. It's not hard at all. I think I'm gonna leave the door panel off though, because the door panel needs a lot of work. Like the rubber seal is missing right here. So, and then I'm gonna clean up all this because, as I said, I'm gonna paint the car, but I'm gonna paint it an Integra blue color, not this one.